Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm here today to share some of the most interesting deals that we can find on Amazon.com. As we all know that Prime Day sales are running up and today is the last day to avail the offers on Amazon.com. So here are some of the most favorite deals that I can find on Amazon.com and the laptops that will be really useful for you. So I've been talking about this one laptop for programming and I consider this as one of the best laptops for programming for beginners. So if you're a beginner and you want to get into programming and if you want a laptop to learn programming and do some tasks onto it, so MacBook Air with the M1 chip can be one of the best laptops, and we have some great offer running onto it. Around 25% of discount is running on the MacBook Air with the M1 chip for 8GB of RAM to 56GB of SSD just for $749.99, and that is around 25% of discount running onto this laptop. So this is one of the best laptops that I can recommend you still in 2023. Getting to the next laptop, we have the MacBook Air with the M2 chip, 15.3 inch model, just a refreshed version of the MacBook Air with the 15.3 inches of display. So nowhere we can find a discount, but on Amazon.com in the Prime Day sales we can find a discount. We can get a $50 of discount onto it, just not more than that. So we can get this laptop just for $1249.99. That's really great. So if someone is planning to buy this laptop, they can definitely go and check out this laptop as well on Amazon.com. There is some great deals running onto it as well. And next to that, we have some laptops with Windows OS. So for people who need Windows operating system, so they can go with these laptops. And if you're considering to buy a laptop for programming or for AutoCAD or for any other purpose, so definitely you can check out this laptop, ASUS ZenBook Pro 15 OLED laptop. So this comes with a 15.6 inch full HD touch display. Along with that, we get a Ryzen 9 5900HX CPU. That is one of the really great CPUs. Along with that, you get an RTX 3050 Ti GPU and 16GB of RAM and 1 TB PCI SSD. So that is really great. So this is one of the best configuration what you can get in just $1049.99, and we are getting a discount of almost 30% on this laptop. So that is really great over here. So if you're planning to get a laptop for beast performance and to do anything like AutoCAD or to learn programming or do any sort of work that goes on Windows really well, so you can get down with this laptop. Next laptop that we have is for people who need a laptop under $500 of budget. So for them, this laptop will be really good because this is ASUS VivoBook 16 laptop with a 16 inch of display and Ryzen 5 7330U processor. That is the latest series processor, and this works really well. We have already tested out this. Along with that, we get an AMD Radeon graphics and 8GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, that is SSD, and this comes at a price of $449 only. So we get a discount of around 15 to 17% on this laptop as well, and this is a really good laptop if you want to buy it for programming, learning programming, or home use or basic use. So you can definitely check out this laptop as well. This comes at a price of $449 only, and there are much more laptops other than this which you can definitely go out and check out on Amazon.com, and the link is down in the description below for all the laptops. If you want to check any of the laptops, you can definitely go ahead and check out the laptops. And guys, this is a really great time to save some money and get some deals out there on Amazon because Prime Day sales won't come again this year. This is one of the best time to get some gadgets if you want to. So the link for all the laptops is down in the description below. You can definitely go out and check there. And if you got any more doubts, any more confusions, do leave that down in the comment section below. We'll be happy to help you, and meet you in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.